it started?
Mm-hmm.
Look in there, in the mold. Okay, now look at this. This is the blade I've been making. I am going to attempt to cast the hilt and the tang onto the silver blade. This is the mold. The wax has already been lost out of the mold, and now I'm going to open the kiln and pray that I do this right and don't lose all my silver. Now, this is water. I'm going to attempt to steam pressure it into the mold. We'll see if that works. My lovely assistant holds the camera. You will not be able to see her. One mix. One mix. God, that was hot. Okay. A little more cleaning. Slag, I think. Okay, here we go. Cross your fingers. Say your prayers. Wish me well. A little bit missed. Whoa, shit, that's hot. Little bit of spillover. Okay, that's it for now. Next time, we'll see what it looks like when I break it out.